all of you on a flight and journey to the wonderful and colorful world of birds. Now we hope you leave the show feeling amazed by bird conservation champions and be inspired to take actions for our feathered friends across the world, okay? Alright, so in our very short while we have one more chicken joining us on stage. Now everyone, just keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Chucky, our Batam rooster. Hi Chucky! Okay, you know what to do, right? Come on! And a perfect touchdown! Let's give Chucky a big hand, ladies and gentlemen! Now many of us might think the chickens cannot fly, but Chucky here has proven us otherwise, okay? By the way, that Marina is not part of the show, okay? So he's just here to steal Chucky's food. Okay, so Chucky, you know your way back home, right? There you go. Okay, so moving on, right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Now in the wild, macaws love to climb trees to feast on fruits and nuts. Right here on stage you have a tree and some fruit attached right up there. Let's welcome our birds. Everyone keep your eyes right up there. Here comes Ghana, our hyacinth macaw. One more friend joining from up there once again. Now this is Adric, our scarlet macaw. So now macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. Now let's go back to Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Now the bluebird right over there. Now did you know he is the largest in the parrot family? Okay, so if you love birds, you'd like to see these colorful birds, please do head on down to the parrot paradise, alright? So now what happens after feasting? These birds, they often have foods or nuts that they have eaten. So Adrian is still right over there, but not to worry, this will definitely be his final stop. Hi, Mira, who's that?
Hi, Sheena. This is Evie, our scarlet macaw. And Evie here is Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Evie here is environmentally conscious that whenever he sees a litter, he would pick it up and throw it into the recycling bin.
Sure, Mira. Okay, so let's see. I think I've got 3 kinds of trash right here. Let's see what we have. Okay, we've got this paper carton, a metal can, and also a plastic bottle.
Perfect, because with me, I have Evie's recycling bin. One is for recycling paper, one for metal, and the last one is for plastic.
Okay, so everyone, let's find out how is Evie going to recycle those items.
Let's go, Evie.
Okay, then he's sticking it in the trash.
And he recycles! 1 more to go. I mean 2 more to go.
Okay, he's going for the metal can. Oh, that was easy.
Alright, so Judy can do it now. Down to the last and final litter.
Okay. Yeah, you got the right thing. If you come and put it in, you know, Amira, I think he's having some problem. I think
he needs some help. Well, that's okay. Evie has his own cute little stool. Why don't you pass this over to him and see what he does with it?
Okay, so I'm going to leave this stool right here for you.
Look
Look at he doesn't need my help. He places the stool right in front of the bin. So I'm going to pass him back this plastic bottle.
He steps on the stool and he recycles. Well done, Evie. Good job, buddy. Hey, do you know that plastic waste has invaded our waters? Up to an extent where it kills over millions of birds and many other animals as well every single year. Plastics that are found in animal habitat and communities.
Okay, so now what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds. And they do this in the wild for social communication, okay? So the human Amazon right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds. Get your video cameras ready, okay? But before that, hello? Can I get a handshake from you? Oh, that's very sweet. Okay, I'm going to get him to introduce himself first, okay? Can you tell them your name? Did you catch that? Your name. Your name. Okay, his name is Pao Pao.
Pao.
Okay, Pao Pao means baby or precious in Chinese. Okay.
Pao.
One more time. What's your name? What's your name? There you go. Pao Pao it is. Okay, so now Pao Pao here has learned how to copy a lot of sounds, but before that, he's got a message for everyone. Okay, Pao Pao, what's your message? Hear that? He says wants everyone to remain silent so you can hear the noises he's going to make. Okay, so can we start with the first sound? What sound is this? It's someone knocking at the door. So Papa, when someone knocks at the door, what do you ask? Did you guys hear that? That was in silent mode. I'm just kidding. Papa is a little distracted by something on stage. Come on, I need you to focus, Papa. What do you ask? Hear that? He's asking, who is it? Okay, so Papa here has a friendly neighbor at the door. Papa, is it your friend the door? The door.
Wow.
Sounds like a cute puppy running, so let's give some encouragement, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so Putri has kindly bring out a bird right here. Everyone, let me introduce him to you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, meet Big John, our south-crested cockatoo. Okay, so Big John here is the veteran of the virtual department. Okay, so did you know Big John here is over 50 years old? He's not happy, I'm saying. Hey, Big John. Okay, so like I said, 50 years. Can I speak, Big John, please? Okay, thank you. Okay. I'm just doing something more. Very good. Okay, I need you to stay quiet, okay? Let me tell them more about you. Okay, so Jurong Bird Park opened on 3rd January 1971. Okay, and Big John here was already a full-grown adult on the exhibit. So Jurong Bird Park is that's very rude of you, you know. Okay, so Jurong Bird Park is turning 50 years old this year. That is why Big John is out here to make a special appearance, okay? So Big John here can do some speaking as well. Let's see if he's interested to talk and not scream. Can we try this? You want to say hello? Hello! Oh, there you go, nice and sweet hello from Big John. Okay, so Big John, be a nice bird. I need you to stay quiet, okay? So we can carry on with Pao Pao. Okay, stay right there. Okay, so you heard Pao Pao doing the job. Okay. Big John, what did I say? Okay, I'll tell you what, let's move on. Let's just continue with him, okay? Since he wants the attention, okay? Okay, I'm pretty sure you can hear how loud he can get, right? He doesn't even need a microphone. I'm pretty sure the people up there can hear Big John very loud and clear as well. Now, keeping pets like Big John, they tend to disturb your sleep or even your neighbors as well. Okay, Big John, come on, stop screaming. Let's do some mix. You want to do the chicken. The chicken. That's not the chicken. That's his cock. The chicken. Chicken. Hello. That was me, by the way, that's not him. Okay, how about laugh? Hey, you wanna go home?
Bye-bye.
It's not time for you to go home yet, okay? Okay, so ladies, hi. Hey, let's get up a picture, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Sorry for choosing too noisy on stage. Okay, Papa, finally you have the stage for yourself again. Okay, so you heard him do the sound of the puppy. We're gonna move on to high-tech sounds, okay? Papa, do you remember what sound this is? What sound is this?
Phone ringan.
There you go, that's the sound of the ringing telephone. Okay, when someone calls you, you pick it up and you say hello. 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 There you go, nice and sweet hello from Papa. Okay, so as you can see, he can copy human sounds as well, sounds that you and I make, okay? So when Papa is feeling all sad, he will start to cry. Oh, what a sad bird. Now that's okay. Usually when he said like that, I will try to cheer him up, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tickle him.
Tickle yan.
There you go. That is how Papa laughs, okay? And when Papa is all happy, he will start to do his happy dance. Do you want to do a happy dance, Papa? Okay. He's going round and round the village. That is Papa's happy dance. Okay, you better stop right there, Papa. You're going to get dizzy. Okay, so moving on, let's go on to singing. So Papa here is learning how to sing a line of the birthday song. By any chance, anyone of you celebrating a birthday today? It's a birthday, put up your hands. Birthdays! Anyone in this crowd? No? I see someone pointing fingers up there. Okay, I think I see one. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Anyone else from this section? No. Okay, second section, birthdays. 2, another gentleman all the way out there. 2, what about the last section, birthday? 3? Is anyone else? No. Okay, 4, 5. Okay. Wow, some people celebrating your birthdays. Okay, there's one more gentleman right there in black. Okay, 6 and 7 all the way out there as well. 7 of you. Okay, Papa here is going to sing you just the line of the birthday song. Okay, you ready? Let's sing for them. Hey, that was a bit too fast. Okay, let's do this together. I'm going to do it together with him slowly. Okay, let's try this. Happy birthday to you. On your own now. Happy birthday to you. There you go, line of the birthday song from Papa. Thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here in the bird park. Alright, now for everyone right here, Papa has something very sweet to say. Yes, Papa? I love you. I love you. I love you. There you go, you all love you too, Papa. Okay, it's time for Papa to go. Is that one to go before you go? What must he say? Bye-bye. He's leaving. Bye-bye. 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 Let's get up for Papa, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, good afternoon, Peppa. Okay, so I'm going to come up close to some of you. Now, when the female hornbill wants to nest, they look for cavities or holes in trees. Right here in the bird park, we have successful breeding programs for our hornbills. Now, this is because we give them nest boxes, which is very similar to that nest box right up there. Okay, so let's route the staircase out. I'm going to make it easier for the bird to fly over, okay? Okay, so one more time, have a better view of Peppa, our pup one real hornbill. Okay, so I'm in position. You want to fly over and check out the nest box, girl? Come on. Okay, up she goes. Okay, so she's checking out the inside of the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in.
Only if you like to.
Okay, in she goes. Now once inside, the female will seal herself using soil, we're going to take her food, and even her own droppings. Now the hole will only be big enough for her to stick her feet out. So Peppa, you would like the nest box?
Slow testing.
Peppa, is it inside? There she is! Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Sunny! Jurong Bird Park's animal icon, a great high hornbill. So now even though there are different species of hornbills and nesting behaviors out there similar, females inside, they will have to look for food to feed her. This will go on for 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched, after which mother and child will leave the nest. Now right here in the bird park, we have been successful. Now, Sunny! Okay, look at that. Hey! What happened? Let's try this again, okay? Take 2. Alright, let's get up for hornbills, ladies and gentlemen. Now in a very short while, we will be having missions with these two birds, and they will need your support, okay? So I'm going to separate the group into half. People from this side, the center to this side, you will cheer on for Peanut, our blue and yellow macaw, okay? So this is Peanut. The rest of you will be cheering on for Stanley, our green wing macaw, okay? So
One
how
peanut,
are you
one
going to
peanut.
show your support?
One peanut team.
All you have to do is just clap your hands and stomp your
Clap.
feet at the same time, okay? Let's try this at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, not bad. Please save your energy. Let's have the birds to the table. Okay, remember, the louder you are, the faster these birds are going to run.
Clap or two.
Okay, so what I have right here is a hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do is gather 4 fruits each, okay? Supporters, remember to cheer as loud as you can. Birds are ready, let's go!
Peanut, 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 come on, come on. Peanut, come on, peanut, 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 peanut. Peanut, peanut, peanut. Hey!
That was very good, but the winner is Peanut! Great job, Peanut supporters. What? What happened to Stanley? Well, did you guys say that? She said it's just a warm-up. That was
Only warm-up
actually
pantadi. This is warm-up panta.
You're asking for one more game? Peanut, what do you say? Should we give another chance? No? Did you say no? Okay, so for being mean, we are going to give Stanley here a second chance, okay? Let's have the birds back to the table. Once again, 4 fruits on each side of the table. Okay, Stanley supporters, maybe try to chill out. You might just motivate the birds to run faster, okay? On your marks, get set, go! See who put the ball in first. Okay, there's a little hole right at the back, so Stanley putting the ball first. Wow, not bad. Looks like we've got a draw. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get up for Stanley and Peanut. I'll play from the chorus. Now, in a very short while, we will be having our grand finale. I'm pretty sure that our birds in the show, they have a maid to do and ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be having a lot to go on stage. Now let us get started. First up from Africa, here comes our great one pelican.
Hey!
Next up, in Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelican. Back to Africa, birds in the long and sexy legs, simple models of the world. Keep your eyes right there. Here comes our greater flamingo.
Flamingo. कौन है किधर?
Let's color this card. So beautiful and cool in South America comes muffin and baby. There you have it, everyone, our grand finale of Let's give them a big hand.
Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of our show. So just a reminder, kindly remain seated until the rows are called to exit, okay? Last but not least, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holding Foundation, continue to enjoy the Orchid Park. But before you leave, remember to take a look around you and take all your belongings with you. Thank you and bye!
लाइन लाल थी बेबी अजू लाइन लाल में कितने लाइन लाल से आने का निकल पड़ते हैं